Hi folks, Greg your friendly garden guy right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. This is how to. Today I'm going to be showing you how to water. Now, when I say how to water, watering is a technique that is learned and different soils take water differently. So there's not just a pat answer on when people ask me, well, how do I water? I'm going to kind of show you a technique that we use. Now, when we're watering plants here at the nursery in pots, we use a water breaker and we water the pot until it comes out of the bottom of the pot. And then we water the next pot. Now, you can't do that for plants that are planted in ground because you don't have a pot and you can't see where it's coming out at. Okay? So, plants in pots also dry out quicker because they have a limited amount of soil. Plants in the ground have Mother Earth around them, so they can stay moist for a longer period of time, sometimes too moist. So therein lies the key is first of all, you kind of got to know how your soil perks, but that is a story for a different day. But when I say to most folks, when they plant things in the ground, I tell them to water slow and deep, and they look at me and their eyes begin to glaze over. Because what does that mean, slow and deep? I tell them to put their hose on a trickle and lay it there and go do something and then come back about 30 minutes later and move it to the next plant. When I say a trickle, for instance, I'm going to take my water breaker off just to give you an inkling of an idea. There is a trickle. I put my hose, let me get it. There you go. You see, there's a trickle. And I'm going to put it next to that plant. I'm going to walk away from that plant and I'm going to let that hose sit there for about 20 minutes. And when I come back, I'm going to pick it up. It's still on a trickle. And I'm going to put it next to my other plant. These plants were just planted this year, okay? So they're going to need watering. And if you're around here in East Tennessee, you know we haven't had any rain this year. It's been crazy. We had literally no rain in a long time, none to speak of. So these plants, brand new planted plants, are going to need watering probably about 3 times a week, just like I'm watering now. On a trickle, slow and deep, 3 times a week, probably 20 minutes or so, and then pick it up, take it to your next plant. You think that's a hard thing to do. It's not really. It's easy because 20 minutes go by like that when you're doing something. Matter of fact, if you're not careful, you need to set your timer on your phone because I could walk away and get to talking to somebody and forget that my hose is there, and then an hour's been passed. So you need to make sure about 20 minutes or so, 30 maybe, depending on the size of your plant, take it to the next plant. Again, slow trickle, put it next to the next plant. Now, another thing you see that I don't do, I'm not getting the leaves wet. Okay, folks, here's what you don't do. Come on through, sir. I'm just teaching people how to water. Here's what you don't do. Oh, my plant needs water. Look. Oh, I'm watering my plant. That's what you don't do. Do not do what I just did right there. That's the wrong way to water. First of all, ain't no water getting to those roots. Second of all, you got water all over those leaves. The sun's out. That's going to scorch those leaves. Sorry about that, plant. Second of all, if that water stays on those leaves, that's going to cause water damage. Water spots, which can lead to fungus, which can lead to black spot, brown spot, holes in your leaves, all that kind of stuff, just because you think, oh, my baby needs some water. Oh, don't it make it feel good? No. If you're going to do that, do it to yourself. That's what feels good. The plant takes up water from its root, not from the leaves, folks. Not from the leaves. The leaves produce all the food for the roots. The roots bring the water to the leaves. It don't get the water from here. Okay? So on a trickle, right up next to the plant. Don't get the leaves wet. Leave it for 20, 30 minutes. Put it to the next plant. Go out and do whatever you got to do. And then you're ready to shut your hose off and roll it up like I've told you how to do before so nobody trips on it. And have yourself a good day. This is Greg, your friendly garden guy, showing you how to water your plants and how not to water your plants, saying get your hands dirty. It's good for you.